Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart we are currently looking at this sideways consolidation which started on the 3rd of October. Not really anything significant, just sideways action. No upside breakout, no downside breakout, just here sideways. And we see a little bit of a reaction currently to micro resistance, which isn't surprising. I mean, that's what they are for. They lead to some, a slowdown of the uptrend. That's why we're tracking resistance levels. Micro resistance is still defined between 39.7 and 37.2 cents. But as I said to you yesterday, until we break above resistance or support, there's hardly anything meaningful here that we could analyze in addition to what we did before. So I think at this stage, just to mention that both yellow and white wave counts are possible. And the yellow one is more bullish. The white one is more bearish, okay, which could send us down lower here as per the previous updates, possibly into the low 20-cent region. But the white count requires that we hold below resistance, so below 39.7 cents before breaking out to the upside. Yeah, we should rather break down and take out support, which is defined at 32.4 cents, and then we also need to break below 30.3 cents. That's key for the bears, because this level around 30.3 cents is the invalidation point for the yellow, more bullish count. Now, it was looking possibly interesting, for the bulls, and there was something kind of promising happening here as we were moving into resistance, and it was getting some upside momentum. But hey, it's whenever ADA is moving, Bitcoin is slowing down. So ADA is always waiting so long, and then suddenly, Bitcoin is putting back, and then ADA as well, and the story. Bottom line is, the rally from the last low here from mid-October is only in 3 waves. It's not very strong, it's rather weak, and it just adds to the boring sideways consolidation. Now, you might argue maybe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a different scenario. Maybe, but it's just a very ugly 5-wave pattern. But even in this case, as I said to you, the yellow count remains valid as long as we're, in the very short term, as long as we're holding the last swing low, which is here at 34 cents. So, that's the nearest support. We could say that as long as we're holding, however, orange support, there are certain micro counts which the micro count might shift. We might still be in the yellow count, but below let's say below that micro support area, the yellow count will become less likely, and it will certainly become invalid with a break below the red line. Actually, is that correct what I just told you? Yeah, if we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the problem is this pullback here. Yeah, it's a double bottom. It's just it's a very improbable wave count that we already have 5 waves up. It just doesn't have the right look, and there's even a potential invalidation in there. So overall, I'm tracking both yellow and white counts, but they haven't given us clear indication which one it actually is. So that requires a break of support and resistance. Okay, that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.